Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP NV6000 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to print using iPhone on this device. To do it, you just need to open the document or photo you want to print and click Share button. Scroll down, click Print here, and where is the printer line, you need to click on it and choose your printer here. So of course your printer must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network your iPhone is connected. So firstly you need to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi network and connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network. Then click Print. And in this way you will print the document. Unfortunately I can't print the document, as you can see, because my printer is out of paper and inks, but in this way you can do it. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.